Pitman Shorthand Dictation Writing Practice. Exercise 25. Start writing. Thank you for the notice of the affair on Saturday the 6th. Full stop. I shall be with you early, and if I may, I will carry you back to the city to lunch. Full stop. Unless you have a desire to go to the Royal Hotel, I should like to take you to the usual cafe to lunch, because the meals always seem to be both dainty and cheap. Full stop. I wish you were ready for the visit to Sicily. Full stop. These lovely days make us long to be away. Full stop. I think the change itself would be likely to make you enjoy the peace of the village life when you got back. Full stop. Those of us who have had such a change of scene know this to be likely. Full stop. I shall be ready to leave as soon as you, and it is for you to name the date. Full stop. Dictation complete.